What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So, just wanted to go over a few things with y'all, and I'm going to be showing several different results up here for y'all, just to show y'all, the results I get with my company. And also, I wanted to apologize for all the videos that I've made, which I've only made a few, but also the videos that are being made about me. But I knew going into this is part of pointing scammers out. They get really, really mad. Now, I did not expect this person to be this psychotic. I had no idea that this person was this far gone in the head. And I'm not trying to talk about nobody, but yeah, it's pretty bad. And when I look away, I'm not reading something, by the way. And in the video where I was reading something, I literally said I was going to be reading from notes that I made. But I'm not here to convince y'all of anything. My results speak for themselves. And again, I'll be posting them up here during the video so y'all can see them. But I'm going to do a live tonight. It's been a while since I've done a live, and I'm going to try to focus on that a little more again. I know it's been a while since I've done a live, and it's especially been a while since I've been consistent with going live. So I want to do that so y'all can hop on, ask any questions you may have, or if you have some topics you want me to talk about, I'd be more than happy to go over those with y'all. The big move to Tennessee wound up falling through. So yeah, we're not going to Tennessee now. We're going somewhere else, and I'll just say stay tuned to that. You'll know more about that once the official move is over with. But yeah, I really wanted to make this video to apologize because some of the sickening things that this cat is telling everybody about me is it's sick. It's beyond sick. Like Crusader said, if you're gonna roast somebody and be funny, that's fine. But calling somebody a pedophile, that is on a whole nother level. And to think that you can say stuff like that and then post, cartoon characters having sex and just, do you really think people are going to sign up with your company when you're posting that type of stuff? Or when you're calling people stupid, calling them, just fat, ugly, broke? I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I'm not going to sign up with anybody for any type of services, that's calling me names or calling other people names or, charging these one-time fees. But, he's paying somebody in India to do all the work. So one of the risks you run when hiring these types of people is you're sending your information to them to do the work. They're charging you thousands of dollars up front, which I'm not even going to go there. And then they're paying these people, they're sending your information to India, and some send to the Philippines as well. And they're getting paid so little that's why your information winds up getting sold on the black market. They got to make money somehow, because these credit repair companies are so greedy, they can get them to work dirt cheap and make tons and tons of money. But another thing I wanted to go over is I don't live in a double wide trailer. I mean, I don't. And I don't know where that comes from. I have no idea. But again, that's kind of bringing the family into it whenever you bring up my living situation. So I would never do that about him or anybody else. You just, what does that even matter what a person lives in? As long as a person has a roof over their head, they're good in my book. I don't have a fancy car. I don't want a fancy car. If I had the money, I wouldn't, but it's because I'm not ripping people off. I'm not charging people thousands of dollars up front and then just not doing anything. But I'm going to do my best to leave this alone, just because I've gone so far away from what I should be focusing on, which is showing you guys results, letting you guys hop on lives, ask me questions, going over the things that y'all want to talk about. I'm sure y'all miss that. I used to do it all the time, but I haven't had the time. But I'm going to make the time to do it. So again, I will be going live tonight. I would say 7 p.m. Eastern time. So if y'all want to hop on there, you can ask me any question you want to, no matter what it's about. It could be about the videos that's being made about me. It can be about credit repair. It can be about credit cards. Anything you want to ask me, excuse me, you'll be able to ask me. So I'm going to hop off of here and upload this to YouTube. So I hope y'all will jump on the live tonight so we can, do Q&As, whatever y'all want to talk about. But if you don't hop on there, I hope y'all have a great night.